Hi, in this video I'll show you how to connect your custom Elementor form on your WordPress website with your viral loops campaign. So in this way you can track referrals when people submit your Elementor form. So the first thing we have to do right here is we have to go in WordPress and edit our page, the page where we want to install our form that basically we want people to fill in. So I'm right here in my page, I'm editing the page with Elementor. Just bear in mind that this feature is available by using the Pro version of Elementor, otherwise you're not able to use forms. So here's the form widget. I'm just going to take it and drop it into the website, into the page. So it has some fields by default, like the name, email, message. So basically if you want to get a message from someone. So I'm just going to remove that. I just want to keep a simple form just for the purposes of this demo. And so I'm keeping the email field right here. And the first thing that we need to do basically is we need to be able to capture the referrals, the referral codes of the participants when they arrive to the website. So when someone is referred to the page, the URL that gets them to the page has a referral code. So in this way, viral loops can track who referred them. So the first thing we need to do is we go right here in Elementor and click Add Item. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to select the type that is hidden. So basically, if this is a hidden field, we don't want people to fill that in. It's going to be filled in automatically. And so right now I'm just going to type the label. That would be code. And here with the default value, I'm just going to select dynamic tag and scroll a little bit and find request parameter. And then click right here and type in referral code right here, which is basically the parameter in the participant's URL that we're going to want to identify automatically. So, and then also type in referral code here, just so I can understand this. That's the first step. So please just bear in mind, if you're using a campaign created with the startup pre-launch, lead giveaway, or tempting giveaway, then just make sure that this parameter right here is simply referral, just like that. Not referral code, it's just referral. But for all the other templates, it's a referral code. So I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm testing with the miles of referral right now. For now, I'm just going to click update the form just to save it, save the progress. And now, next thing we need to do is we're going to select what happens when the form is submitted. So I'll click right here and I delete this action and I'm going to select the webhook action. Basically, I want the webhook to be fired when the form is submitted. And we're going to send that webhook to Zapier. I'll show you about that in the next step. So the webhook is configured right here with the URL. And so right now I'm going to save the progress in my form. And I'm going to go to Zapier and create this app that will send the data directly from Elementor to my viral loops campaign. So I have started creating a Zap right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is click, find the webhook apps, the webhooks app here. So let's select for this one, that's hook. Click continue. So basically, you can see it provides me with the URL that I can use for my for Elementor. I copy that one and go back to Elementor and click here, paste. Save this one right now. So basically, what we have in this way, we have configured our form to accept the hidden field of the referral code and the webhook to be fired when the form is submitted. So right now I'm just going to click preview the form. And for the purposes of the testing, I'm just going to delete all those fields right here and just type referral code equals something simple. So basically that's how people get on the URL when they are referred. That's how they get on this page. So right now I'm just going to type in my email address and submit the form. You can see I get a success. Basically it says the form was in successfully. And now if we go back to Zapier and click continue, you see it already has captured the request that I just sent. It has my email address. It has automatically captured the referral code from the URL. You see the URL that brought me here on the page. It was captured automatically by the hidden field that we created. So basically right now we can continue with the next part of this app, which is basically sending the data from Zapier to referrals. So click continue. And right here I'm going to find referrals. This one. And I'm going to select the event add participant, because basically we want to add the participant to our campaign with the data that the webhook has scored. So click continue, and right here I'm going to find the my referrals campaign. Just click add. We want to connect the referrals campaign. So you see it asks for my API token. It's basically the API token of my campaign. I go back to referrals. If we go back to the installation step of my campaign, I can copy my secret API token and then back to Zapier, paste it right here and click yes, continue. So you can see it has saved the integration of my Zap with my referrals campaign, and I click continue right now. So here it says customize participant. Basically we want to map how the fields that we captured from the webhook should be sent to referrals. So I find right here the email that I captured from the hook. And then the first name is basically is not part of the webhook. If you had it in your form, it would be sent, but right now I didn't send any first name or last name, so I'm just going to skip those. It's fine. And we also need to capture the referral code parameter right here. So essentially the email and the referral code are the most important fields you need for this integration. If you have other fields like the first name and the last name, you can map those as well. Then click continue. And that's it. So I'm just going to click test and continue. And it was successful. So I'm just going to turn this on. I'm just going to give it a name. So we're done with Zapier for now, and if I go back to Viral Loops right now and basically visit my dashboard. So in the dashboard of my campaign, you can see that I have two participants. One participant is basically the test one that was created from the Zapier integration. I can delete that guy. This one. And the other one is the one that I captured from the hook, from the Elementor form. So at this point, let's test this out. So I have this guy. So it's dimitris@virals.com. Let's say he refers someone to the page. So I'm just going to copy the referral code right here, and I'm going to visit the form and submit the form as a different participant. So copy the referral code, like so. Copy that again. And you can see, so basically that's the URL that would bring a referred participant to the page. I'm going to click enter. And so I'm just going to type another email address. Hit send. Basically the form was submitted successfully. I can close this one. So if I go back to the Varloops campaign dashboard, I should have another participant submitted to my campaign. There you go. So you can see I have another participant that was submitted to the campaign, and the referral was properly attributed to the first participant. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use var loops with your Elementor form. And let us know if you need any help.